Hi friends, we're coming at you today with a quick video about planks. I'm going to go over proper form, some modifications, and some variations that you can include in your workouts. First thing we're going to go over is how to get into a plank. Now, a plank is an isometric movement, so there actually is no movement to it. It's a stabilized exercise. So one of the things we can do to get down into it is take a squat down, step those feet back, and we are in that plank formation. To come back out of it, step forward, stand right back up again. Another option is to push those hips back into a deadlift type stretch. Let those hands come down and walk it out into that plank. Now, when we're down in this plank, if you do need a little bit more stabilization, you can open those feet up. And if you want a little bit more challenge, you just close them on up. I'm going to go ahead and open them up there and then show you a couple little options that you can do. You can also take those knees down for a modification, and you can take the elbows down. You want to make sure those elbows are right underneath the shoulders, and just like the hands are always going to want to be right underneath those shoulders. Straight line from the shoulders down to those knees or to the toes. Now, if you're not quite ready for the floor, you can also do a plank on a chair or against a wall. So there's those options as well for you. Now I'm showing you a floor facing plank. A couple little tricks you can add in there. You could do a little shoulder tap on each side. You could also do a reach with each hand. And you could try a side plank coming onto the side, either, again, wrist right underneath that shoulder. Now your feet, you're going to want to stagger, give yourself a little bit of a base down there. Keep that wrist right underneath there, or elbow right underneath. Also the option to put that knee down. So a couple different modifications you could do and some variations with that. If you have any other questions about planks, you can sure drop them down in the comments. I will answer those for you. If this was helpful, give a little thumbs up on that like button. And if you want more videos just like this, be sure to subscribe where that little subscribe is, and maybe check out this next video coming up. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.